okay. This is just after one of the hits I've done. Basically the whole front end has come off. Doors, fenders, hood, and the entire front end of bumpers, valence, grill shells, headlights. All the electrical has been pulled from the engine bay compartment and placed onto the motor. As well, the fuse panel and all the wires have been pulled through the firewall as far as the wiring goes and disconnected anywhere so the body can come off the frame. So the front end's pretty much complete here as far as what I got done today, and the rest of it we will move forward on a bit later, as well as we got some notes I will shoot a quick video of. Another hit today. This is what we got. Interior torn out and assessed for rust repair, as well as the glass out and assessed the cowl for rust repair, windshield jam and whatnot. Small list of items that have come up. Just taking notes as it gets disassembled. And bins labeled and tagged. They're about all half full. So this is what we got going on for the 1979 Scout 2. Another hit on the 1979 Scout today. A few panels came off. The tailgate, the windshield frame, the dash panel. Small list has come up as well of ongoing things. Overall, the entire rust repair of the project has been assessed. The final part today was to assess the underside of this. And it turns out the underside as well as the top side has rusted through. Stay tuned for more on 1979 Scout International. Another macro hit on the 1979 Scout here. Doors have been dismantled. Starting to get final bits out of the firewall, heater core, brake booster. Just looking into the steering column will be next, as it is attached to the frame before the body can come off. Doors have been dismantled like I mentioned. Window assemblies, door panels, and the outside of the door has been paint stripped lightly just to assess previous damage. As well as the dash has been dismantled, glove box, and everything else. Stay tuned.